saw them not conceding, and really, they've been extremely, extremely strong. Alfred, congratulations, doing it once again. Take your Man of the Match award there. Fantastic performance tonight. You knew it was going to be so tough against an unbeaten Swallow side.
Yeah. Thank you, Carol. I think we played well as a team, and we've been working on our defensive block. I think that's the thing that has been helping us. And playing against a Swallows team that is strong on the ball, building up and passing the ball, I think we did well.
It's certainly something that's been helping you, but also when you look at the consistency, you know, the fact that you've been given the time as well to build that rapport with your teammates.
Yeah, as I said, it starts from training. The coaches have been saying that if we keep on playing the way we were playing and not conceding, unfortunately today, we had to go through and concede 2 goals, but we kept on fighting.
You fought from the whistle. You knew that you're going to have to start very, very strong, and that's exactly what your team did. And for you guys to open the scoring first, it just gave you that nice buffer to build on that great performance.
Yeah, like the coach always say, if the defense line is doing very well, and the guys have been upping up their game and scoring each and every game that they've been playing.
How much does this mean to the team to go through to the quarterfinals?
It means a lot. It means a lot because it's the first time the team going through to the last 8 now, I think. So I think they deserve it. They deserve it.
They deserve it. You deserve it. Congratulations today.
Thank you very much.
Excellent stuff. All right. So Alfred Ndengani, the Nedbank Cup Man of the Match today. Proud coach as well now who's going to come in. He spoke about the kind of performance that they were hoping to bring forth today. Coach, you said that, yes, you're going to be focusing on the Nedbank Cup, but also looking at how it is that you're going to perform in the league. To get through now to the quarterfinals, tell us what this means for the team as a whole.
Carol, well, this is a good injection. We've been looking forward to get something that can give us the edge to overcome whatever that the team has been going through. But with this win, that the guys for today they showed the character, the determination, and dedication. It says to us, there's the light at the end of the tunnel. But look, we appreciate their effort. Unfortunately, they almost lost it, but you know what? They showed character.
Yeah, one thing that you said before the game even kicked off, Coach, is that obviously you've been looking very closely at Swallow's performance in their last encounters. The fact that they were conceding, you knew that they could be vulnerable at the back. You didn't waste any time. Right from kickoff, you made sure that you push them and you try and expose them defensively.
Yes, we worked at the game plan, and we knew their weaknesses. As much as we spoke about how well or how good they were, irrespective of the draws that they had. But look, we're happy with how the guys conduct themselves towards the game plan. Like I said, they were conceding a lot. And us, we were not conceding, but today we let 2 goals in. Yes, we do have something to work on, as much as we say the game is a teacher.
I was going to say, were you a little bit concerned going into the break, looking at how dominant you were, but the fact that they were able to equalize as you went into the break? Were you concerned and maybe thinking about changing things quickly, or did you decide just to maintain your cool and just keep pushing in the second half?
Yes, it was a worrying factor, but as I said about being calm and try to be level-headed, we reminded them, because players are like kids. You always have to remind them about how we want things to be done. How can they be good on the day of the match? Luckily, they bounced back, but for us to lose from the set place of which we highlighted that for them to score, it was only going through the set pieces. But look, as much as we're happy to go through, but we've got a homework to go and work on.
All right, Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Fantastic stuff. All right, so TTM through, of course, to the quarterfinals, and really looking forward to that. Let's just get a further synopsis of how this game played itself out. From a disappointed coach through to man. You knew it was going to be tough. You said you're coming into this game as the underdogs, in fact, looking at their performances recently for TTM. It seemed that way from the get-go because you were a little bit slow, seemed a little lethargic in terms of starting to stake your claim in front of goal.
Absolutely true. Yeah, I think we were on ourselves today. Passing patterns our movement of the ball wasn't as good as we normally were. But credit must go to them as well. They fought for everything. They put us under some pressure. We, in certain situations, which didn't make us at all comfortable. They made some good turnovers in the middle third. I have to give credit to them, and yeah, they put us under pressure. So I wish them well, and I hope they go far in this competition. But for us, yeah, we have to look at this game and really analyze where we went wrong, so that we can build on it. I mean, our next game is 3 days away, and that's 2 days of travel, so there's really no time to rest.
Well, one thing that was characteristic of Swallows was the fight back, that never say die attitude. You know, that even though you weren't having the best of the chances in the first half, you were still able to get back into it. And you said it, you know, maintain the composure, you know, the experience, and just to keep fighting and to take it all the way through to extra time and then eventually penalties.
Yeah, it's now an ongoing thing. The 2 goals came from defenders today. We're still lacking a bit in front of goals, especially with creativity and putting the ball into danger areas. That's lacking from us. It's something that we're working on, and something that we're definitely addressing. But still, the final ball into the penalty area didn't come as much as I would like it to, tonight. But yeah, like I said, 2 set plays, 2 defenders that scored today. Our front line, yeah, but under pressure, hasn't scored in a few games now. So yeah, we'll get it right.
And your defense also still under pressure. We know that there's some key individuals that are out due to injury.
Yeah, no, definitely. Musa came in as centre back. Sabaya picked up another injury. We have Said still out. We have Musa not back. So yeah, it's a bit thin at the back. But yeah, we're not really a defensive-minded team. We want to be offensive, but we have been conceding now in the last 4 or 5 games, and that's a concern that we need to look at as well and address.
All right, Coach, so your journey ends here for the Nedbank Cup now. Full focus on the league. Best of luck for your next game.
Thank you so much.
Great stuff. All right, so there it is.